A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this week's video, but more on that later.
Well, it had to happen at some point. It is officially winter in the Catskills. We've got like 5 inches of snow. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous. And it's gonna be a really fun day working on the shipping containers because today our friend Noah is helping out. And we are gonna put in 2 windows. And then once that's done, we're gonna try and get the wood burning stove in. Noah's here for a couple days, so I really want to try and get as much done as we can. And basically, once we have the windows in place, it means that we have light inside and we can close all the doors and get a little warmer. And once we get the wood burning stove in place, then it's going to be really, really nice to be working inside these containers because right now it is pretty cold. It's fine for like a couple hours, but in the late afternoon, it just like it really gets you. Even with all this cold weather gear on, it's hard to stay warm for that many hours outside. But it's gonna be a really, really fun day on the shipping container build today.
It's all about finesse. Let's go! Dude, it looks good.
Good window, right?
Wow.
Does it look even, the overhang?
Yeah,
side to side?
It looks pretty even.
Right?
Yeah.
It's like shockingly good.
Yeah.
Because I messed up the door a little bit. You can see it's like tilted.
I get it first try, you really have to.
How far are we scooting there?
Towards you. And all the way up to the... There we go. Are you in?
Yep.
Alright, I need to go this way. Yeah. Alright, I'm in.
Alright. If you just pivot that side forward, and now you just chill there.
Yeah.
And I'll get out.
Yeah, I'll just hold it.
And then I'll pivot this side forward while you
Yeah.
keep holding the window.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good.
So we're a little high. You stay with the window.
Yeah, yeah. A little bit high.
Like the window just has to come up a tiny
Yeah,
bit.
can we lift it?
Yeah, we have room. There we go.
Am I in on this side? Yeah. Let's go! It's like, I like how it's a little bit scary. You're like,
Go, Freya, go! Go! Free!
a little wall. 24 on center.
Freya! It's your lucky day, girl! Yeah, what's this? Sit. Down. Good girl. Yeah, there you go.
Dude, that looks good.
Hi.
Hi, littles.
We took a good nap.
Yeah, come and look at our progress.
Let's see it. I mean, the window looks crazy from here. Yo, Noah, how's it going? Oh my god. This like completely transforms it.
Right?
Wow. Wow. This is crazy amazing. It makes it actually feel like a living space.
Right.
Like before we were in a metal box.
Sun setting out there.
Yeah.
And
This
look-
window is massive.
This one's big.
Yeah. Look at how perfect Noah got this. Like, this had to be flush here.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that wild?
Get them, we got a carpenter helping us out. This looks so cool. And you guys did this?
Uh-huh. They're still wet sealant, so watch
Yeah,
out.
I see it. Wow.
How good is the view,
It's like
though?
a house build. I don't think I've ever seen framing. Like, we didn't really do proper framing for the van build like this.
No, it's so.
No, this
excessive.
is like really something. Wow. It's honestly like hard to comprehend. We're gonna be in here.
I mean, this is pretty much it. Like, if you imagine the wall coming in, it's like a wood stove right there, and there's really not much room left.
Honestly, that's what I wanted though. I just like to, like, we spend most of our day on the floor. So
pretty
it's like,
spacious on
that's all you need, a lofted bed and then some storage. And we're good to go. Max, what do you think? Yeah, it's cold.
You have to grab the
Good. Down.
So like, you can push your side forward more. Keep going. There we go. So like, there's this metal channel in the way.
You know what we can do?
What?
We don't have to screw into the window at all.
Really?
Because I welded the stuff on the outside, so if you just screw more in
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Like, we can just do that right now real quick and then think about how we want to do it
Yeah,
tomorrow.
I'll hold the window.
Max, these boys are smart.
Dude, I knew if we got it here, that's all we need.
Wow. How?
Because I welded like stuff on the outside.
Dude, I'm
Yeah.
so glad we did that, man.
Otherwise, we'd be in like big trouble right now.
We'd be real. I mean, you could probably install it like this too, like with some like real blocks.
Yeah.
There's gotta be a way. That's probably how they install it, because there's no.
Right? I mean, you don't want to ruin the like mechanism. Both windows are in.
So crazy.
You can just stand here and like look at the forest.
And catch the sunset.
Dude, like, this is insane from when I first got here.
Yeah.
Right?
it's a
You
This
made
is
such a big
different.
difference.
It did not look like a home.
No, it honestly was like kind of depressing.
Yeah.
You look at it, you're like, ooh, did we make the right choice? This is like
I didn't
a
see the
little
vision.
bit small.
But like, now that you can see like the whole skyline, the sunset.
The two next to each other like this actually is perfect.
Wow.
Put a little stove in here, get a fire cranking. It's so special.
That's like what you call an immediate impact, Noah.
Yeah, 100%. Like the door was obviously amazing,
Thanks.
and it's like does look cool.
But windows
doesn't-
are like 10
windows are-
times cooler.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Max, you tell him.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true, Max. That's true. I didn't even think about that, Max. I didn't even think about that.
Like, I want to join the party.
So satisfying.
Yeah. It's good. It's good.
Look at that pretty good ceiling height.
Yeah.
Pretty big impact you made, huh?
Dude, if you think so, then yes.
2 windows in the entire container frame.
I feel like, you know, there's still a whole world to be made, but if you think it's good, I'm happy. A lot to be done.
Come back again?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, Freya, it's just me and you. Noah just left after a pretty huge week helping me with the shipping container build. He put in a massive effort, so thank you, Noah, for that. I just want to show off everything we did together. Pretty much the entire frame is done. Both windows are in, almost fully sealed, and we are in a really, really good shape now. But there's a big storm rolling in right now. We're supposed to get 9 to 15 inches, which is why he just hit the road. And I haven't had time to set up my tractor yet with the plow or the snow chains. So the shipping container build is gonna have to wait for a minute while I see if I can figure out how to attach a plow to the Kubota. There's also like a hunter in the woods pretty close by. So there's been a bit of a problem. I just realized that a bunch of the bolts on the wheel fell off at some point. I have no idea when, hopefully recently, but I'm not gonna be able to find them in the snow anymore. And the storm is rolling in pretty quick, so I feel like I took a bit of a gamble focusing on the shipping container build instead of preparing the tractor for winter. And now I'm gonna have to pay the price. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fix this problem or get the tractor ready at all for plowing our driveway, which basically means we'll just have to park at the bottom and walk up, which really isn't a big deal because I have most of the supplies I need up here. But yeah, I feel like the first year of homesteading is just like playing catch up the whole time. And at least year 2 should be a little bit easier.
Happy holidays! Max, it's a snow day! Thanks so much for watching this video and for all of the support this past year. It's been a pretty wild ride these past few months, so I'm hoping 2023 will be nice and calm. I'd also like to give a big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Having a website that works well on a range of devices and automatically updates itself is pretty awesome because it's one less spinning plate we're trying to juggle. Plus, our online store connects us with new people all over the world every day. I've already started work on our next little ebook and can't wait to share the progress with you next year. If you'd like to start your own website or online store, head to squarespace.com/wildlyroam for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.